It's a good idea to replace the water filter in your Samsung refrigerator every 6 months or every 300 gallons filtered. To remove the old water filter, locate the filter first. On the 36-inch French door built-in refrigerator, you will need to pull out the freezer. The water filter is on the bottom left. For the 42-inch 4-door flex built-in refrigerator, open the freezer door. The water filter is on the bottom left. Open up the water filter cover. Rotate the filter counterclockwise to unlock, and then pull it straight out. If the water filter is difficult to remove, there may be water pressure built up. Dispense a little water. Then, attempt to unscrew the water filter again. Open the new filter cartridge from its packaging and remove the white protection cap. Install the new filter by pushing it straight into the housing and turning it clockwise. You'll know it's locked in place when the lock symbol matches up with the indicator line. Close the water filter cover. After installing the new filter, you should run a few gallons of water through the system, and this will flush out air and prevent dripping. Be sure to reset the filter indicator and you're all set.